Welcome back to Dream Home. Today, we're exploring 100 brilliant upcycled garden decor ideas made from recycled materials. From creative plastic planters to vintage garden art, get ready to transform your outdoor space into something truly magical. Let's dive in. Our tour begins with ingenious ways to reuse plastics and tin cans to create vibrant, eco-friendly garden features. See how hanging bottle planters, gallon vegetable walls, and vertical PVC hydroponic towers maximize small spaces with lush green life. Patterned tin can lanterns cast warm evening glows along stone pathways, while pastel-painted animal planters and bottle cap markers add playful personality to garden beds. From soda can wind chimes to upcycled bucket water fountains, these 20 ideas prove that everyday waste can become delightful garden art. Moving into our second chapter, we discover how old tires and glass bottles bring structure and sparkle to the outdoor landscape. Repurposed car tires are transformed into charming swan planters, colorful stacked garden towers, cozy outdoor seating, and even peaceful mini ponds filled with water lilies. Meanwhile, cobalt blue and green glass bottle trees catch the sunlight, while mason jar fairy lights and glowing glass bottle retaining walls create an enchanting twilight ambiance. These creative elements turn forgotten materials into striking garden focal points. In our third segment, rustic warmth takes center stage with reclaimed wood, pallets, and glass mosaic art. Vertical pallet herb walls, fruit crate raised beds, and cozy pallet benches bring functional beauty to garden patios. We see whimsical birdhouses built from scrap timber, old stepladders showcasing potted lavender, and hollowed tree stumps transformed into magical fairy gardens. Combined with sea glass stepping stones and stained glass window backdrops, these upcycled wooden creations add timeless rustic charm to any outdoor space. Our fourth tour showcases how vintage furniture and metal items can be repurposed into stunning garden centerpieces. Imagine a white vintage bicycle with baskets overflowing with flowers, or an antique clawfoot bathtub transformed into a lush blooming flower bed. Old wooden wheelbarrows, colander hanging baskets, and rain gutter fence planters bring unique layers of texture and color. By combining rusty garden tools, denim planters, and repurposed iron bed frames, these ideas bring nostalgic elegance and creative history into your outdoor sanctuary. Finally, our last 20 ideas turn rare antiques, musical instruments, and household items into pure garden fantasy. Watch an old wooden piano become a breathtaking waterfall planter, or see a vintage typewriter overflowing with green moss and succulents. Repurposed sewing machine stands, brass trumpets, teapot fountains, and cheese grater lanterns add whimsical luxury to garden corners. These inventive displays prove that with a little imagination, any old object can become the crown jewel of your home's outdoor haven. Thanks for watching Dream Home. Which upcycled garden idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home and garden design inspiration. See you next time.